What's up everybody? Today I'm reviewing Fadlash's lash remover. I got this because I wear extension lashes. As you can see, I'm demonstrating with one without, one with. Now I just put these on and I will be showing you how I remove them safely without removing my real lashes, damaging my eyeball, or putting any strain on my real lashes, because that's what I got this for. So I can do it carefully, easy, without damaging too much. Now it comes with this little handle. It kind of has like little ridges on it so you can really get it up in there. It is oil based. It feels like putting on castor oil. I'm going to demonstrate how I do it. I'm just going to pull down my lashes like that, rub it in, and give this about 3 seconds. 3 seconds is all you need, and I will show you how easily I can get these off. No damage done. That easy. You can use the hardest glue you have. These will be able to come off so easily. It's literally like water. Look at that. Got any more? Last one. Now look at that. My lashes are safely removed. I'm just gonna wipe, and that's the dirt we got off of it. It's literally that easy. I'm using this for everything. This is going into the makeup bag. This is a must have, especially when I'm wearing lashes all day. They're literally not budging. I'm trying to pull them off and they're not coming off. This is what you need. Fadlash lash remover. It's about the size of my index finger. It's super cute. It's a must-have. Alright guys, that is going to be it for my review. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you liked, and I hope you're considering buying it, because it's one of my favorites. It's a staple in my makeup bag and it's a must-have. Bye.